Welcome to this meditation for patience and presence. In our busy lives, we often find ourselves rushing, feeling impatient, or thinking ahead instead of being fully present. Today, we'll take time to slow down, anchor ourselves in the now, and cultivate the patience to meet life's challenges with calm and grace. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your body relax as you settle into this moment. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale, releasing any tension, stress, or impatience from your body. As you continue to breathe naturally, allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Notice the weight of your body on the surface beneath you, the feeling of your clothes against your skin, the sounds around you. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. This moment is yours. Let your breath be your anchor to the present. Feel the sensation of each inhale, cool air entering your nose, and the warmth of each exhale leaving your body. With every breath, remind yourself that this is where you are meant to be, fully present, right here, right now. Now, as you sit with your breath, gently bring your awareness to any areas of your life where you may be feeling impatient. Perhaps you're waiting for something to happen, or you're frustrated with the pace of progress. Whatever it is, acknowledge it without judgment, simply noticing how it feels in your body and mind. It's okay to feel impatient. It's a natural part of being human. But today we'll work on transforming impatience into presence. Begin by imagining that impatience as a cloud passing through the sky of your mind. It's there, but it's not permanent. It drifts through, and as you breathe, you can watch it gently float away. As the cloud of impatience moves on, notice how your body responds. Feel the space opening up as you let go of that impatience, making room for calm, presence, and acceptance. Now we'll turn our focus to cultivating patience. Patience isn't just about waiting. It's about allowing life to unfold in its own time. It's about trusting the process and being present in the journey rather than rushing to the outcome. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I trust the timing of my life. I am patient, I am present. Feel the words settle into your body, grounding you in the present moment. Each time you breathe in, allow patience to fill your heart, and with each exhale, release any need to rush, any need to control. Let go of the pressure to be anywhere other than where you are right now. Now bring your attention back to the breath. With every inhale, focus on being present, fully present, in this breath, in this moment. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle rhythm of your body. There's no need to think about what comes next. Simply allow yourself to be here, in this breath, in this moment. As you breathe, imagine yourself as a steady mountain. Life may bring winds, rain, and storms, but you remain grounded and strong. You are patient, allowing things to unfold as they will, without losing your presence or peace. The mountain doesn't rush. It simply stands, solid and present, embracing whatever comes. Visualize this mountain within yourself, stable, calm, and patient. No matter what happens around you today, you will remain grounded and present, moving with the rhythm of life, not against it. Now we'll take a moment to set an intention for patience and presence in your life. Think of a situation or part of your life where you could bring more patience, more acceptance. It could be with others, with yourself, or with the pace of events around you. Silently repeat to yourself, I will meet life with patience and presence. I trust the flow of life. Allow this intention to sink deep into your heart and mind, becoming a guiding force in your life. Whenever impatience arises, you can return to your breath, your anchor, to bring yourself back to this moment, back to presence. As we close this meditation, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing any last bits of tension or impatience. Know that you have the power to carry this sense of patience and presence with you throughout the day. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders, stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to cultivate patience and presence. Remember, you can return to this calm, steady place whenever you need. Go forward into your day with grace, patience, and peace.